This motorized Monoprice wall mount is purpose-built for televisions above a fireplace, letting you pull the screen down to eye level for comfortable viewing and then tuck it neatly back up when you are done. The electric lift mechanism moves smoothly and quietly, which makes everyday use feel refined rather than clunky or distracting. Its combination of tilt, swivel, and small rotation adjustment makes it easy to fine-tune the picture angle, whether you are sitting directly in front or off to the side. The included remote lets you control the mount from across the room and even store a favorite viewing position so the television returns to the same spot every time. Heavy gauge, cold-rolled steel construction gives the mount an impressively solid feel and the confidence to handle larger televisions within its supported weight range. It is compatible with a wide span of VESA mounting patterns and can be anchored to brick, concrete, or wood stud walls, making it versatile for many living room layouts.